Alright, let's talk about a potential side hustle that could bring in around $500 a day. No, it's not some get-rich-quick scheme. It involves affiliate marketing focusing on digital products, specifically online courses. The secret? Become an affiliate for in-demand online courses that teach valuable skills. Think coding, digital marketing, or even personal development. Choose courses that align with your interests or knowledge, making it easier to create engaging content. Then, start building a small online presence. Your main focus is creating valuable content that addresses problems your target audience faces. For example, if you're promoting a coding course, create tutorials showcasing basic coding concepts or reviews of coding tools. Include your affiliate links in your content naturally, mentioning how the recommended course can provide a more in-depth solution. Consistency is key. Regularly create new content that provides value and subtly promotes your chosen courses. Don't just spam affiliate links, instead, focus on genuinely helping your audience. Over time, as your audience grows and trusts your recommendations, your affiliate sales will increase. Remember, the more targeted and helpful your content is, the more likely you are to drive conversions and generate that passive income stream. Consider free traffic generation and paid